The panel also recommended that some prescription drugs that contain acetaminophen should be taken off the market entirely. So our medical editor, Dr. Tim Johnson, is joining us. And Tim, again, want to underline what John was talking about are things you can buy over the counter. These are prescription drugs we're talking about, but they voted to take some pretty big-name prescription drugs off the market.
Well, these so-called combination drugs by prescription include the very popular pain medicines such as Vicodin and Percocet, which are a combination of a narcotic and acetaminophen. The vote was very close, 20-17. The panel suggested that the FDA probably wouldn't follow that particular recommendation, but I think it will lead to stronger black box warnings and stronger regulations for the use of these drugs.
But overall, people are here being warned about acetaminophen. Overall, and if they have to turn away, or they do turn away by choice from acetaminophen, it's a pretty effective drug, as that doctor pointed out. What do they do for pain control?
Well, I do want to emphasize that overall it is a very safe and effective drug, widely used for 50 years now. But there are other alternatives when people have liver problems or consume too much alcohol. If people consume more than 2 drinks a day, they probably should not be taking acetaminophen. So there are alternatives in the aspirin, ibuprofen family, but they also have their own risks in terms of stomach bleeding. So it's a juggling act to balance risk versus benefit.